Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to the Marrangaroo, a name that sounds like an exotic cocktail but is actually a solar-powered tiny house built for off-grid living and family-level comfort. And before you ask, no, it's not a magic kangaroo who builds houses, though that'd be a killer business model. Yes, a real one, not just a passive-aggressive roommate named Derek. Before we dive in like it's a plunge pool on a 40 degrees Celsius day, smash that subscribe button like it just said, glamping isn't real camping. Now, back to the Marrangaroo. It's 8.4 meters, 27.6 feet, long, rides on a double-axle trailer, and is dressed in all-black steel like it's headed to a punk rock concert for minimalist architects. Open the double glass doors and you step into a warm, wood-clad living room with a cozy sofa and, wait for it, a wood-burning stove. Not just for looks either. The kitchen, my friends, is where this tiny titan flexes. Full-size fridge, 4-burner propane stove, oven, sink, and a dishwasher. In a tiny house, the bathroom doubles as a laundry room because in the world of smart design, nothing does just one job anymore. Composting toilet, washer/dryer, and a shower that doesn't make you feel like you're washing in a broom closet. And when it's time to crash, the Marrangaroo gives you not one, but 2 loft bedrooms, each with a double bed and actual storage. Roof-mounted solar panels connected to battery storage, plus water tanks for fresh and gray water. It's fully off-grid, eco-friendly, and built for independence. Pricing still a mystery, but knowing the level of craftsmanship and tech packed in, I'd bet it lands somewhere around the high 5 figures.